A joint session of Congress is a unique event where members of both the Senate and House of Representatives come together to conduct specific business. But what exactly unfolds during these sessions? Perhaps the most well-known is the State of the Union Address. This annual event sees the President of the United States deliver a speech updating Congress, and by extension, the nation, on the current condition of the country and outlining legislative priorities. Beyond ceremonies, joint sessions hold significant procedural importance. They're convened for critical functions like counting electoral college votes during a presidential election. This process, overseen by the Vice President, in their role as President of the Senate, is a pivotal moment in confirming the United States' highest office. Moreover, joint sessions occur for solemn occasions, such as presidential inaugurations when they fall on congressional premises. This underscores the symbolic unity and continuity in the country's democratic traditions. The atmosphere during these sessions reflects a blend of formality and bipartisanship, as all members, regardless of party affiliation, gather under one roof. It's a setting that fosters both the celebration of significant achievements and the undertaking of crucial constitutional responsibilities. In conclusion, while they may not happen daily, joint sessions of Congress play a vital role in the ceremonial and procedural tapestry of American politics, marking moments of unity, tradition, and decisive action. Thank you for joining us. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.